Hello and welcome. This is episode 4 of our Python playlist. Today, I'm going to talk about concatenating strings in Python. Let's jump right in. Let's say you want to store the first name and last name in separate variables and then combine them when you want to display someone's full name. I create a variable first name and assign a value to it. Let's assign the value Katie. Then I create another variable called last name and assign the value Perry to it. And now I'm going to combine the first name and last name so that it displays a full name, Katy Perry. Now Python uses the plus symbol to combine strings. What we are going to do is combine the variable first name, a space, and the variable last name, which gives us the result Katy Perry. So we are going to say full name equals first name plus, which is the sign of the concatenation, and then I'm going to give a space between two inverted commas plus last name, and I'm going to print full name and I'm going to press Alt Enter, and we get Katy Perry. Now this method of combining strings is called as concatenation. Let's look at another example to cement this concept. First name equals, since I am thinking all about pop stars, I'm going to say first name is equal to Britney. Last name equals Spears. Now I'm going to create another variable called full name, and I'm going to concatenate the first name and last name along with the space. So I'm going to say full name equals first name plus space within two inverted commas plus last name, and I'm going to say print hello plus full name dot title plus an exclamation mark within quotes, and I'm going to press Alt Enter, and here we get a nice greeting message. The variable full name is used in the sentence that greets the user with a hello, and the title method is used to format the name the way we want. That is, in this case, title cased. Well, you can change this function to upper or lower. It's up to you. Now, these simple string data manipulation methods were covered in episode 3. You can use concatenation to compose a message and then store the entire message in a variable. Let's do that. I'm going to say first name equals Britney, last name equals Spears, full name equals first name plus space plus last name, and then I'm going to create another variable called message, which equals hello plus full name dot title plus exclamation mark, and I'm going to say print message. So notice how the final print statement here becomes so much simpler. Well folks, that's it. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we will see you in the next one.